Hello, my name is Antonius Biondi Gunawan. I'm from the class of Instructional Design and Strategy of English Teaching A3, and today I would like to present my article titled Instructional Design Using an In-House Built Teaching Assistant Robot to Enhance Elementary School English as a Foreign Language Learning. What does this study cover? It explores the usage of a teaching assistant robot for the instruction of VFL classroom in Taiwan. So in essential, it is like implementing a strategy of our learning to elementary school in an EFL context. And what's the purpose of the study? It aims to address the need for innovative, age-appropriate EFL instruction for younger learners. It is also to test the effectiveness of a custom teaching robot, and to emphasize, this research was important because this type of research was lacking in the field. Now, what is the teaching assistant robot? The name of the robot is called PET. It stands for Powerful English Tutor. What's the purpose? It is to capture students' attention, to motivate them, and to ensure their mastery of the learning materials by interacting with it. What can it do? Well, in alignment with the purpose, it is to encourage students to learn orally, visually, and kinesthetically while following the principle of CRT and TPR. In correlation of the stage of implementation, later on, the authors have designed numerous lessons to the database of PET. So it could teach vocabulary, it could teach body parts lesson, it could teach conversation, and it could teach storytelling. My apologies. Now then, what is the research method? Well, it is stated in the article here that they used an experimental design with two separate English classes, one serving as the experimental group with 31 students and the control group with 33 students, in total of 64 students. The experimental will have Pat as the instructor. Meanwhile, the control group will have a normal teacher as the instructor. Now, although different, both groups followed the same instructional design by incorporating CRT, TPR, and storytelling, covering identical teaching materials. And it was done through a series of 4 meetings. The first meeting consists of 26 English letters to teach vocabulary, and in this case, the robot used flashcards to accompany it while teaching, or use it as a medium to teach it to the students. It also teach self-introduction and body parts, conversation, and storytelling for the next 3 meetings. Now, after the 4 lessons have been done, or after the 4 lessons in general, the students participate in an interview with the questions, mainly in correlation to PET and how it influenced them. Teachers also participated in the survey. They also added multiple tests to measure the learning outcome. The data was collected by set tests like the proficiency tests, surveys, observations, interviews, and recordings. So what's the conclusion? Well, based on the results here, it was beneficial and students are more encouraged to learn compared with the traditional approach. It also led to better outcomes. Its cute appearance was also a factor in grabbing the students' attention, and it also helped them feel more confident and relaxed, improving their English learning experience. That is all for my presentation. Thank you.